It was a whirlwind trip to Melbourne to celebrate Ego Pharmaceuticals' 70th birthday. It all began with a lab tour, which was fascinating. We saw and smelled many raw ingredients in their element. We saw behind the scenes in the labs and the amazing production facility and manufacturing. There was R&D team. We got to don some very attractive outfits and see everything in action. Watching the bottles of QV lotion being filled and labelled was actually mesmerising. Some of these machines are incredible. So after lunch we headed back to the hotel and got ready for a dinner, which was to celebrate the 70th birthday, and it was beautiful. There was incredible flowers, the food was amazing. It was in the private dining room at the QT hotel where we were staying, and oh my goodness, that was the lamb. Don't get me started on the risotto, and then that cheese plate was the cheese plate to end all cheese plates. And of course we couldn't go to Melbourne without going to Gimlet for a gimlet. It was such a stylish establishment. We had a little nightcap before heading back to the hotel, and I had to get up bright and early the next morning. Oh, there's my gimlet, look at that. For a little bit of a quick walk around Melbourne before heading back to the airport. Managed to see some laneways and explore.